Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you some of our most useful classroom management tools. All of our tools can be found in our library under the Extras tab. So first, our voice levels tool is really helpful for controlling the noise level in your classroom. And you can choose which noise level you want them to be at by just clicking on the section that you would like. And this tool is completely customizable. You can make this as specific as you need it for your classroom. You can change the number of noise levels that you want to present. So by default, we have 6. You can change the names of each level, and you could even show just the name of the level that you choose. So this is a really helpful tool for controlling the noise level and maybe keeping a noisy group of students quiet. Here we have our traffic light tool. And this is a great tool for a number of reasons. First of all, you can click on each of the different circles to choose which color you would like. And if you don't want any of them lit up, you can just click it again. And this could be used to really monitor the behavior in your classroom. So for example, green means you're good to go, great behavior. Yellow could mean slow down and get back on track. And red could mean stop and check your behavior. So this is a really great way to acknowledge student behavior. You could use it to show noise levels, what tasks students should be working on. So maybe they might be working in groups, with partners, or independently. So it's totally up to you how you want to use this tool. Next, we have our timer. And these tools can be also found in this icon here when working on your lessons. You can add a clock so that students know what time it is as they're working on an assignment. You can add a digital clock, an hourglass timer, and these are just really great for timed assignments or testing. You can, on the bottom left corner there, choose how much time you give students for a task and what sound you want it to play when time is up. So this is just a really great tool to use to keep kids on track. We also have a number of other tools that you might find very helpful to use. For example, our birthday cake tool is a really fun way to celebrate a student's special day. They can decorate the cake however they would like, and it plays a little song for them. Our hangman tool is a really fun way to get students to play a fun interactive game with words of your choice. And our curtain tool is a great way to acknowledge a special student. You can present an award of some kind. You just add it into your lesson and it can be used to reveal something special. So that's it for this video. I hope that you will use these tools and that you find them to be really helpful to you in the classroom. Please reach out with any of your own ideas and any feedback you might have.